Hello everyone. So today we are going to create the dice roller application from the Android Compose Basics course. So when we click the roll button, we can see that the value of the dice changes. The corresponding picture is shown on the screen. Okay, let's start by creating a new project. We'll click on empty activity, next, and name it dice roller. Okay, we'll finish. So the project is building right now. Let's wait. The first step is to add the assets that we need. So we will go to the resource manager and click the plus button, import drawables, and choose the dice images. I will share the link of this dice image. It will be a zip file and you have to extract it. Click on OK, click on next, import. Okay, as you can see, the dice images are in our application. We also need to add a string to our app. String name equal to roll. This will be the text inside our button. We will change the name of this composable to dice with button and image. It's just a name, you can name it anything which is descriptive and follows the guidelines. Okay, so we do not need the name, so we will remove that. Okay, I will change the compile SDK to 35 so that we don't get any error while building. Okay, now let's run the application. Okay, we get a blank screen. So what do we need to add? We need to add a column containing an image and a button, right? So we'll create a column and we will add an image which takes in a painter of painter resource, and we will for the time being give it as r dot drawable dot dice1. Okay, we also need to give the content description. We'll currently set it as null, we will add it later. So the next one is a button. Okay, so in the on click of the button we will do something, but firstly we will add the text which will have a text argument which we will pass in the r dot string dot roll, which is just a string having a role inside it. Okay, we'll give it a font size of 24 dot sp is the sizing unit for text, so that it scales while we use a larger font size in our phone. It's scalable pixels. Okay, so let's try to rebuild the application. So we get the dice and the button. When we click on it, nothing happens because we did not give it anything on the on click parameter. Okay, so in the on click, what we need to do is we need to have a state which enables us to change this image, right? So we'll give it that. So let's think of it as a variable result, and we will give it the delegate of remember, and it will be a mutable int state of having the default value of 1. Okay, let's click alt enter and import the necessary libraries. We give the numbers 1 to 6 into the random function, and this random function returns an integer which is a number which is in the range of 1 to 6 and stores it in the result variable. Result variable is here, and it is a mutable int state of. As we gave the remember delegate to this, when the result variable is changed, the UI will rebuild. As you can see, the app is not working as it should. Nothing is happening. We'll put a breakpoint here, and we will use the debug. Okay, now when I click roll, we see that the value is 1. If we resume and we click roll again, we see that the value is 6, and when we resume, nothing is changed. Now you know that the result variable is getting changed. Why is the dice not changing? Reason is that we are giving a static value of dice 1, and we will fix that by creating an val image resource variable, and we will assign that from a when statement. If the result is 1, then we will give r.drawable.dice1. In the else statement, we will give it r.drawable.dice6. Okay, now you can see that we have an image resource variable, and we will change this into image resource. The image resource will contain the specific drawable which corresponds to the result variable, which will change when we press the roll button. Okay, so the moment of truth, we will click on roll. Nothing is happening. Oh, let's restart the app. Okay, let's check. Yeah, it's working. Okay, we will change the content description to result.toString. So if the result is 1, we get the content description of 1. This content description takes in a string, so that is why we are converting into its string. Okay, so we need to align this. If you want to, you can try it on your own. I will show you how to do it now. Okay, firstly we will give the column a modifier of modifier dot fill max size, so that it takes the whole area. And I will also add a vertical arrangement to arrangement dot center. Okay, I will run it again. As you can see, we are arranged properly in the center. What we need to do now is to align it horizontally. Okay, so we will add in horizontal alignment equal to alignment dot center horizontally. Now you can see that we get the desired result. If you found the video useful, please like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.